you will receive an email from me giving you this access, or this button to access the Teams or Microsoft Teams. Hello, Falk. In front of you, you have a couple of screens, a couple of applications up and running, one screen actually. And you see that right in the middle is my Gmail account. I sent myself an invitation to go into our team. Into the Microsoft Teams team for us, the Dean and the Humanities. Hello, Falk. You will see now, right in front of you on your screen, you'll see a couple of apps that are up and running. They're separate. Obviously, the one on the right with yellow, that's my Gmail account, and on the left, you have Microsoft Teams. Now, I'm just showing you this. I am not going to ram this at you. I know you don't want to learn more applications, but I just wanted to show you, that at least for this piece of it, I wanted to see if this works, because I have already commented on the return to campus input that you submitted, or that you actually are showing me before you submit. And so anyway, you're going to get something like this. That's the team that I created inside of my own Teams application in our school account. You have the same thing. I'll show you how to access it in a second. You have to click on this button. That will get you here. Right now you actually just go and use a web app. That's the easiest way to access the stuff in your Teams account. You go directly into Teams, and now you see on the left all kinds of teams that I created for some other reasons. You will only see most likely one, maybe two from other parts of the college, but you see one that says BSS Dean Humanities. You click on that, and you can just simply go to General. Oh, you're there already. Go to the PLC notebook, click on that, and then you get to our notebook, which is what I'm using for this discussion. Click on the left side. Click on the wrong one. Ah! Hey Falk, how you doing? Jose here. I wanted to show you how to access a space inside of my own OneNote in Teams in Microsoft, which is part of our bundle of apps that we use at Foothill. Now, I'm not ramming this at you. I know you don't want to use it, but for this particular task, it will be easy because I already made some markings on your submission for the Return to Campus form that we were talking about previously, that you sent me previously this morning. So there's a team that I created. You can click on the invitation that you'll be getting from me, and you just do that. Disregard this and just go directly into use the web app instead. Go to that, and that will get you directly into Teams without having to go through that portal. Which also you can do that. Maybe I'll show you at the end. Very easy how to get to that. And what I'm trying to do here is to give you access to the work that I just did in response to your email. And so I have a whole bunch of teams on the left. You don't care about these at all because you're not going to see them. You're only going to see this one, BSS Dean and Humanities, and maybe some other ones that probably other parts of the school has already put you in. But you'll see this one definitely. You go to General, and once you're there, you see a few tabs at the top, and you can click on Staff Notebook. Now, I also have some files in Files, but for now, don't worry about it. And so I created this very simple notebook at the moment for us to discuss things, different topics. And if you click on this here, you see here the Return to Campus tab. So you go there, and that's where you will see your email and the pictures that you sent me, or the images that you sent me. It's right there. I pasted it right in there, and so I made some marks, so some comments on some parts of your submission, and it already sort of maybe starts a conversation between the two of us, and you can either respond to me via email to your own message that you sent me this morning. You can do that, or you can just go here because you have editing privileges, and you can simply just respond right in here directly if you want. Either way is fine. And then the other thing we might want to do is set up a Zoom for early next week, or probably Monday, I'm pretty open, so we can go there and sort of discuss the same questions here. All right, I'll leave it at that. If you go to any part of your Microsoft Office bundle, or what do you call it, the package, whatever you call it, you always see these 9 dots. If you go to those 9 dots, you always get to okay, here you go. It will be Teams. You can just click on that and you come back to this thing, same part here. Okay, my PC is full of apps. It's running very, very slow. So you see this is the reaction that I get. Anyway, I will email you as well. Thank you. Thanks.